Hi everyone, I am Carlos from Carlos M Kitchen, and I want to give a warm welcome to the new subscribers. Well, I am not sure if you are like me in the sense that sometimes I get bored from eating chicken, beef, or pork. So fish is sometimes a good break for me. This recipe is not complicated, it only has 4 steps, and I will show you how I make it. I served it with plain potatoes because both the fish balls and the sauce have a lot of flavor. So you'll need a potato, the homemade shrimp broth, the sauce, and I will show you how to make the sauce. And lastly, the fish and shrimp balls or albondigas. Now I will shut up and let you watch the video. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Hi, it's me again. So if you like the video, please give it a like or a thumbs up so other people can find it. Chaito, and watch the other video about the fish cakes I made.